Ano lang.
Go ahead, Sir Jerry.
To Calvin, Kim, at saka kay Roger. Kasi the last finals, yung outside shooting nyo, obviously was among the big difference dun sa finals. Are you up to the challenge again this time?
I think Kim's nervous.
Let's have Kim answer this question.
Discord nyo lang daw. Online na lang.
Kim, ano lang, yung outside shooting nyo kasi the last time you met in Hebra in the finals was a big difference. Ngayon ba, up to the challenge kayo about your outside shooting again?
Siguro, araw-araw may practice yun. Ayun talaga yung parang pinaka-main gun natin is 3 points. And right now, talagang pinagigihan namin yung game plan namin para sa Ginebra. Kasi itong Ginebra, they have an amazing team and amazing players. So, mahirap sila talunin pa rin.
Isa din yan sa na kung gusto naming manalo against Ginebra, kailangan maganda yung shooting namin kagaya nung last conference. So ano naman kami, ready naman kaming tatlo. Hindi lang kaming tatlo, kaming lahat as a team na sana pumasok yung mga 3 points namin.
Pagdasal na lang namin, sana pumasok. Sana yung bola may anghel, no? Tsaka yun, napaka-importante naman talaga sa team namin yung percentage sa outside shooting namin. Doon kami nag-rely if low yung percentage namin sa outside or onti yung tinitake namin outside, talagang mahihirapan kami manalo sa isang game. We'll take advantage of it, tapos ginagawa naman namin yun araw-araw.